Now, I'm not gonna take a clause 2. Clause 2 nahi karte hain. Let's do a small, like really small clause, which is clause 6 of CARO 2020. That is about cost records. Now, again, think from the India perspective, right? We have a lot, many small companies, right? Every company is producing some goods. But it is so hard, like for people like us who are into chartered accountancy profession, for us also costing as a subject is hard. Now imagine those small companies. If somebody asks them, dude, you have to prepare the cost record as told by the central government for each of the goods you have you are producing, what a havoc it will create in their business. Like, should they do business or should they just maintain records for the central government, right? So so the central government has actually, like, from the companies when the companies of 2013 came, companies central government has mandated for the companies who are producing goods to maintain the cost records, but not to the all the companies. Only to the companies which have a turnover of exceeding 35 crores in the immediately preceding financial year, they will have to maintain the cost records. And also, if the turnover is not met, but some specific companies in the regulated or non-regulated sectors, such as the regulated sectors such as petroleum, telecommunication, drugs, electricity, fertilizer, sugar, non-regulated such as textile, cement, automobile, construction, then electronics and all of that, all these companies will need to maintain the cost records. But this portion is not given in your syllabus, this one, the limit wala portion, because that is already discussed in Companies Act. So you don't have to remember all of that. Just remember the 35 crores, exceeding 35 crores, and there are some regulated, non-regulated sectors. So, where in Companies Act 2013, they have told that the cost records needs to be maintained. It is section 148 and subsection 1. Section 148, subsection 1, they are telling that companies needs to, if the central government has specified those companies, where they are required to maintain the cost record, then you as an auditor, you have to check whether such records are made and maintained by that company or not. Easy. एकदम इजी है, like no, there is nothing, no brainer clause है ये.
Yes, ma'am.
Simple. Can you read just like Sharani one time? What does it say?
Ma'am, if the central government specifies the company to maintain cost record as per section 148 or subsection 1 of Companies Act, if it is applicable for that company, you should specify the details.
So if it is applicable for your entity, like, if you are auditing, then you have to,
I'm auditing.
you have to just tell whether the company has maintained or not.
Okay.
Right?
Yes,
Done,
ma'am.
Vishwesh?
Yeah.